Welcome to Accountex 2017. I'm John Stokdyk, and joining me here on the AccountingWEB sofa is Cameron John, the Director of Accounting Partners at Sage. Cameron, it's day one of the show. When we all made our plans, we came here, it was all going to be about making tax digital. Now with the election, with the truncated finance bill, there's this 8-week delay has been sort of put into that whole planning process. What's Sage's perspective on the situation?
Well, it definitely gives us a moment to breathe, but at Sage we're proceeding as we would, considering that it would be delivered on its original timescale. I don't think we're being complacent in any way, thinking that now it's delayed and it'll be pushed into the long grass. Depending on the government that's returned after the next election, I think it will be first on the agenda to bring back to the fore about the timetable and what's required for making tax digital. So Sage is continuing to proceed at pace on the development of our proof of concepts. We're demonstrating that to accountants, getting their feedback.
Can they see it here today?
Yeah, so today there's a whole counter at our stand here at Accountex where you can come and view what we've done and give us feedback and see exactly how we've been working really closely with HMRC to develop these solutions.
Now that just brings up a challenge for Sage, because you've got the MTD compliance issue. You're going through some major product evolutions with Sage Live, Sage 1, and there's a whole technology transition going on there. And I mean, you've got this AI project with PEG as well.
Yeah.
From the perspective of your accounting partners,
yeah.
What is the priority for product for Sage? And is there a risk that with so many balls in the air, you're not going to manage to deliver them all at the same time?
Well, so let's be clear about how we supporting our partners and our accountants that work with us, specifically on MTD. Our purely cloud product, Sage 1, will be compliant with MTD, and the interface is being written and built in there. Our Sage 50 again will be integrated and compliant for MTD. The release will come out later in this year, presuming the timetables proceed. So those accountants that have clients on those solutions, please be absolutely confident that Sage is the supporter of accountants and has great solutions for them. But to get to your wider point, yes, we do have a broad portfolio of solutions, and at Sage we are developing at pace to be the connector of all of those as well. So not only our solutions, but other solutions, so to provide a real hub for accountants to be able to access information from their client solutions and move that into practice management. You brought up the bots and the AIs. We're leading in that way. We have a bot that you can come and experience and download and see it on our stand. You can just download it, put it in any of your chat solutions to interact with our accounting solutions. So it's a great step forward. That's kind of like the very first stage, though. It's continuing again to develop at pace on how we think that's going to evolve.
I mean, initially I sort of felt, AI, it's sort of one of those buzz phrases that doesn't necessarily have a lot of substance. But actually, I'm beginning to get quite curious about what its potential is within the MTD process.
Yeah.
Is that something you're specifically working on at Sage?
Absolutely. So it's one of those concepts that can be quite nebulous. You think, how does that actually come into reality? But one of the very practical things is having a chatbot like PEG and being able to interact and then to use that information that's sitting behind that to amalgamate and consolidate your data and to be able to provide that to the relevant authorities. So there's some very practical outworkings of what is very complex behind the scenes, and so we have a whole team of people at Sage now working specifically on harnessing AI and delivering that in a consumable way as well, which is what PEG is delivering right now.
Well, thank you very much, Cameron. I mean, Sage always, it's really quite refreshing to hear about all these R&D projects going on at Sage. I mean, So it's like the MTD product.
Yeah.
There's the accounting cloud you mentioned, and PEG, and how that AI bot is going to evolve. So a lot to see at the event.
It is, and you know, quite often we get the comments of Sage. There's so much going on now. We just don't. You know, you're not shouting about it, and we're here to be confident about our solutions and to be proud that we're now, you know, working really closely with our accountants and our accountant partners to deliver that connection, to deliver those solutions for them.
Great, well thank you for sharing those ideas with Cameron, and I'll see you later at the stand.
Great, thank you.